How to view WhatsApp status without opening. In today's video, I'm going to show you live proof of how to view someone's WhatsApp status without actually opening it. That's right, you can see the status updates without them knowing you've seen it. If you're curious about this secret trick, you're in the right place. Before we jump into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Now, first, let's quickly talk about what WhatsApp statuses works and how it works. Just like Instagram stories or Facebook, WhatsApp status lets people share photos, videos, and text updates that disappear after 24 hours. But when you watch someone's status, they can see that you viewed it. Now, here's the trick. To view WhatsApp status without the person knowing, you can use WhatsApp's airplane mode feature. By following these steps, you can view the status without making it as seen. So, let's go through it. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection to load the WhatsApp status you want to see. Now, go to your phone settings or swipe down on your home screen and turn on the airplane mode. This will disconnect your internet connection, preventing WhatsApp from registering that you've seen the status. Now that you're in airplane mode, open WhatsApp and go to the status tab, which is this one. And after that, simply view the status of the person that you want to watch. Let's say this is the one, or just tap on it. After you finish viewing the status, completely close WhatsApp by swiping it away in your recents app. This ensures the status is not marked as seen in the system. Now turn off airplane mode to reconnect to your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once you're back online, you can open WhatsApp again and the status you viewed will remain unseen by the other person. And that's it. Now you know how to view someone's WhatsApp status without them knowing.